Good afternoon, everyone. It's Louise from Eleanor Grace. Just thought I would do a little video on the heart workshop, which will be coming shortly. I have also started making up some packs for these, which are going to be released on my Etsy shop when it reopens on the 1st of October. So I will share some more on that a bit nearer the time. But this is the heart workshop that is coming out soon. It is beginner to intermediate level, and we're doing some new stitches here, most of which we haven't seen on my channel already. So I will be showing you Pekingese stitch, which is here, and sham hem stitch, which is going along there, as well as a cross between fishbone and leaf stitch, which I've used here, and also one that is on the group that I've shared already is the spider web stitch, but I go through that in detail here as well. I also show you how to do the piecing together of the piece and how to put it together, give you some tips if you're not very good at creating shapes like hearts. And also we go through the French knots and the feather stitch, which are my favourites and I pretty much use on everything, as well as using up some of your trimmings and having a look at the things that you may have in the cupboard to make up. So this is, as I say, coming out soon, and I will give you more information. If you want to leave a comment on here, I can give you all the details for how to get hold of the packs, and also how to get onto my Etsy shop, which is called Eleanor Grace UK. At the moment it's not open, but it is reopening soon. So I just thought I'd give you a little show of this and a little bit of a close-up here on some of those lovely stitches that I'm teaching in this workshop. The workshops are yours forever. So once you order one of them, you get a link, and then you can watch it again and again. You can just go through certain parts of it again or watch the whole thing to your heart's content. So I just thought I'd share that with you on a slightly sort of grey day here where the sun keeps coming in and out and making it very hard to be recording anything. But have a lovely day, everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.